So then, when I started to walking in that, and teaching other people to walk in that, some people say, I don't like religion. It ain't got nothing to do with religion. He give you power to gain wealth, even if you don't know him. He didn't say, I'll give you power to gain wealth if you love me. Now, you'd be a fool to get the wealth and don't love him, because you might end up like some of them crazy folks on drugs and end up in even worse shape down the road. Does that make sense? But see, the big problem is that so many people constantly repeating, well, you know, they ain't gonna never give us nothing. You right. Well, you know, they always trying to oppress us. You right. Well, you know, we can't never get the good job. You right. Well, you know, we can't. All this right. All that's right. But so what? It's also right and correct that God gave you power to gain wealth. And out of the abundance of your heart, the mouth speaks. And you eat from the words of your mouth. So if you change your words, even if you don't know God, but you need to know him. Ain't got nothing to do with religion. It's got to do with who you are. Then the things that start happening to you in your life are going to change. It's going to change. See, Tony Robbins, Les Brown, all that crowd, they teach personal growth and development. Ain't nothing wrong with it. They teach positive mental attitude. Well, you know, that's cool. That's correct. But I'd like to be in touch with the person who providing the results of the positive mental attitude. That's all I'm saying. You know, like we got this little lady at our church. She about this big, boy. She's louder than me. She said, I don't have no problem with the Big Bang Theory as long as God is the banger. Man, she be loud. She can't be 100 pounds. But, so, let's go out this year. Let's have a magnificent year. See, write down on your paper real quick what kind of percent return you want on your money. Yeah. Okay. Go out there this year and get you 100,000%.